Dear student, welcome to this episode on nature-based destinations of North India. Wildlife includes all non-domesticated plants, animals and other organisms. Ever since the dawn of civilization, man has coexisted with animals. The Government of India is committed to preserving wildlife as a national heritage for future generations. The Government of India and the state governments have created ministries and laws have been enacted for the protection of wildlife. In this episode, we are going to learn about major wildlife sanctuaries and national parks of North India and popular nature-based destinations of North India. For easy understanding, this episode is divided into following 5 parts: Ranthambore National Park, Corbett National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park, Dudhwa National Park, Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary, Keoladio National Park, Shimla, Nainital, Kulu and Manali, Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, and adventure activities in the Himalayas. Now we shall move on with the first aspect. Firstly, Ranthambore National Park. It is located 14 kilometers from Savai Madhopur in eastern Rajasthan. It is considered to be one of the best spots to view the Bengal tiger. Tiger, hyena, sloth bear and cheetal etc. are some of the rare species found here. The amphibian species only consists of the common Indian toad and the common frog. The park also has a large number of marsh crocs and other reptiles. Ranthambore, due to its varied terrain and abundance of water bodies, has an excellent population of birds. Ranthambore is probably the ideal park for wildlife photography and attracts professional wildlife photographers from all over the world. Next one is Jim Corbett National Park. Corbett National Park is the first wildlife reserve of India. It extends over an area more than 500 square kilometers. Corbett National Park was established in 1936 as the Haley National Park. In 1955 to 56, it has changed to Ramaganga National Park and finally to Jim Corbett National Park. This park spans across some 920.9 square kilometers and is located in the states of Uttarakhand. Over 50 mammals, 580 birds and 25 reptile species have been listed in the Corbett National Park. Leopards as well as lesser cats such as the leopard cat, jungle cat, fishing cat are also found here. The sloth bear, Himalayan black bear, dhole, jackal, yellow-throated marten, Himalayan palm civet, Indian grey mongoose, common otter, porcupine and black-naped hare are other attractions of this area. It is possible to see elephants all over the park. This park is also known for elephant safari. Safari provides visitors an unusual experience as they watch the wild animals in its natural habitat. Next one is Valley of Flowers National Park. This park is located in the foothills of Western Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand. This park is called Valley of Flowers because it is covered with grassy meadows that gets covered with colorful flowers. Valley of Flowers and Nanda Devi National Park together constitute the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. The Valley of Flowers was declared a national park in 1982 and was included in the list of World Heritage Sites by UNESCO in 2005. This richly diverse area is also home to rare and endangered animals including the Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, brown bear and blue sheep. The valley is also home to several fauna like Himalayan musk deer, yellow-throated marten, snow leopard, etc. It is also home to a variety of birds, butterflies and insects. Now let's discuss the next aspect, starting with Dudhwa National Park. The park is spread across an area about 490.3 square kilometers and is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. This park was established in 1977 as a sanctuary to the swamp deer or the commonly known Barasinga. Among the big cats, tigers abound in this park. There are also a few leopards. The other animals found in large numbers are the Indian one-horned rhinoceros and the wild elephant. Other animals found in the park are jungle cats, leopard cats, fishing cats, jackals, civets, sloth bears, sambar, otters, crocodiles and cheetal. It is a bird watcher's heaven. It is also noted for its wide variety of about 400 species of birds. Jeep and elephant safari are also available in the park. Next is Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located among the Aravalli hill ranges in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. Tiger, leopard, jungle cat, striped hyena, sambar deer and chinkara etc. are few of the rare species found here. Jeep safari is also available. It was declared as Wildlife Sanctuary in 1958. It came under Project Tiger in 1979. Now let's discuss about Keoladeo National Park or Bharatpur National Park. Keoladeo National Park is situated in Rajasthan. It lies between two of India's tourism centers, Agra and Jaipur. It is about 180 kilometers from Delhi. It is also known as Bharatpur National Park. It is one of the spectacular bird sanctuaries in India. The park spreads over an area of 29 square kilometers, out of which 11 square kilometers are marshy and the rest are scrubland and grassland. The main attractions for tourists visiting the Keoladeo Ghana Park are the migratory birds which come from as far away as Siberia and Central Asia. Other tourist attractions in the park include the Bharatpur Government Museum, Lohagarh Fort and Deeg Palace. In 1981, Keoladeo Ghana Bird Sanctuary was given the status of National Park. It was given the status of World Heritage Site in 1985 under the World Heritage Convention. Now let's move on to the next module, Nature Destinations of North India. Hill stations are popular with the tourists and often provide a relaxing and wholesome break from heat and dust of the cities. The hill stations generally attract a particular segment of tourists from all over the market line. Newly married couple, youth and adventurous people and urban people also. The hill stations or mountains lure the nature lovers. North India has many prominent hill stations like Shimla, Kulu Manali, Nainital, Srinagar, Gulmarg, etc. Shimla. It is situated in northwest Himalayas and is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is the most popular and established hill station of North India. It is situated at an altitude of about 2100 meters. Shimla is pleasant in summer and cold in winter. Another popular attraction for tourists here is the fun-filled travel from Kalka to Shimla by the toy train. Shimla is also a convenient base for variety of adventure sports such as skiing, trekking, fishing and golfing, etc. Shimla came into light when Britishers discovered it in 1819. Nainital. It is called Queen of the Hills and is one of the popular holiday resorts in the Kumaon range of the Himalayas. It is located at an altitude of 1938 meters above sea level amidst a lush green forest. The most famous lake in Nainital is the Naini Lake, from which the name Nainital has been derived. Kulu. It is the district headquarters of the same name in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It is situated at an altitude of 1219 meters on the banks of river Beas. Kullu serves as the nerve center of the valley and is the starting place for a number of tracks. The town is divided into three parts. In the south is the Dalpur Maidan, a large grassy area where the famous Kullu Dasara festival takes place. Kullu Dasara mirrors the culture of Himachal Pradesh. Manali. It is situated at an altitude of 1829 meters in Himachal Pradesh. It is the main tourist destination of Kullu Valley. Manali is the center of a flourishing orchard industry. Manali is the gateway to Dhauli and Spiti. Manali literally means the home of Manu. The places to visit in Manali include Arjun Gufa, Hidimba Temple, Koti, Manu Temple, monasteries, Rahala, Rohtang, Solang. The Manu temple at Manali is one of its kind in India. Manali is also a hot spot for adventure activities like skiing. There are several good hiking routes from Manali. The hike to the Solang Valley is quite popular. Coming to the next aspect, firstly, Srinagar. Srinagar is the winter capital city of Jammu and Kashmir. It is situated at an altitude of 1730 meters. Srinagar is located around a number of lakes, of which Dal Lake is the best known. Dal Lake is also popular with the tourists because of its houseboats. The other attractions include the beautiful Mughal gardens which lie on the banks of Dal Lake. Overlooking the city and the lake are the two hills Hari Parbat, Kohi-e-Maran and Shankaracharya, Takht-e-Suleiman, which remind of the glorious past of the region. There are ancient temples, medieval mosques and fortress walls in the region. The city is divided into two by the river Jhelum. The markets of Srinagar offer a wide range of exquisite pashmina shawl, hand-woven carpets, copperware, carved wooden articles, etc. Nishat Bagh and Shalimar Bagh are worth visiting. Next one is Pahalgam. It is situated at an altitude of 2400 meters in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is called as the Valley of Shepherds because once it was a humble shepherd's village. It is situated at the confluence of streams flowing from Lake Sheshnag and Lidar River. It is an ideal base for longer treks to Kolahoy Glacier and Amarnath Shrine. Around Pahalgam, there are numerous spots worth visiting which include Baisaran, Betab Valley and Aru Meadow. Aru Meadow also serves as the base point for trek to Kolhai Glacier, Katarnag, Lidarwat and Trassar and Marsar lakes. Next is Sonmarg. Sonmarg is situated at an altitude of 2740 meters in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The name Sonmarg means path of gold. It is last major town in Kashmir before the Zojila and Ladakh. It is a popular trekking base, especially useful for those heading to Gangabal Lake. All sorts of challenges from mild to hard can be experienced in these trekking routes. The pleasant climate in Sonmarg makes it an ideal location for trekkers and visitors to explore the natural beauty of the area. The name Sonmarg may be derived from its past importance as a feeder to the Great Silk Road, or more likely because of its carpet of spring flowers. The next one is Gulmarg. Gulmarg, initially known as Gauri Marg, was Emperor Jahangir's favorite spot. It is situated at an altitude of 2730 meters in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The name Gulmarg means meadow of flowers. It serves as an excellent trekking base. In winter, it is used as India's premier skiing resort. It is one of the most beautiful resort towns in the Kashmir Valley and is essentially a series of cup-shaped rolling meadows. Now let's discuss the last aspect of today's episode, adventure activities in the Himalayas. The mountain state of Himachal Pradesh has some of the tallest mountain ranges, offering numerous adventure activity options. Besides the snow-covered mountains, it boasts of the splendid barren beauty of Lahul Spiti and Kinnaur and the lush valleys of Kangra and Kulu. Known for the trekking routes, in Manali, the Department of Mountaineering and Allied Sports advises on trekking and mountaineering options. This institute provides training facilities for basic and advanced climbing for both Indian nationals and foreigners. It also conducts rock climbing, skiing, heli-skiing and high altitude trekking courses. Rock climbing. Himachal's steep rocky cliffs and mountain sides of Manali Valley offer much to explore and conquer. Rock climbing uses a minimum of aids and the challenge is to find the toughest route and scale in the least possible time. Hands and feet do most of the work, but safety equipments like ropes, body harness, nuts and metal wedges of different sizes are essential. North India offers some of the best and toughest challenges in the rock climbing, both for amateurs as well as for professionals. In Himachal Pradesh, Manali, Dharmashala and the adjoined regions provide some of the toughest and most exciting rock climbing options in the world. Professional climbers from all over the world come here to negotiate the rocks and to find new challenges. Skiing. Solang Valley, located near Manali, has good skiing slopes equipped with an excellent lift, offering views of glaciers and snow-capped mountain peaks. Kufri near Shimla also offers skiing facility during the season. Gulmarg gets transformed during winters into India's premier skiing resort. Gulmarg has slopes varying between 8,700 and 10,500 feet with the highest ski runs in India. Meant only for beginners, Gulmarg ski lifts and chair lifts provide basic utilitarian facilities with simple link-up. The longest ski run in Gulmarg is provided by the gondola cable car, which allows a ski run of 2,213 meters. Sledging on the frozen glacier is also offered by locals. Pahalgam also provides facilities for skiing. Skiing courses are conducted at Patni Top in the months of January and February. During the winter months, there are introductory courses for visitors or beginners at the gentle gradient slopes of Patni Top. The Garhwal and Kumaon hills in Uttarakhand offers plenty of opportunities for skiing. For the avid skier, cross-country runs of 10 to 20 kilometers are available with the added advantage of fresh powder snow. Due to their awesome height and spread, Garhwal and Kumaon, like other areas in the Himalayas, offer the thrills of exploratory long-distance skiing. Winter skiing in Garhwal is professionally conducted at the Ollie slopes depending upon the snow conditions. The other ski locales in Garhwal include Dayara Bugyal and Kush Kalyan in the district of Uttarkashi, Panwali and Matya in the district of Tehri Garhwal, Mundali in district Dehradun and Bedni Budyal in Chamoli. Heli skiing is practiced in the area bound by the Hanuman Tibba, Rohtang Pass, Dio Tibba and Chander Khani Pass near Manali. A major feature is the compactness of the heli skiing area. Heli skiing in Manali, Ollie and Gulmarg provides an enormous variety of ski runs and routes as complicated or as straightforward as the individual can tackle. Trekking. Kulu Manali region along with Lahul and Spiti areas offer the best soft, medium and hard trekking opportunities. The Kumaon and Garhwal regions of Uttarakhand are considered as trekkers' paradise. Rafting. River rafting or whitewater rafting is an adventurous activity carried out using a raft to pass the river. While water rafting is popular in the rivers of North India which flow southwards from Himalayas. Rivers like Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Zanskar, Indus and Teesta offer good rapids for rafting and provide unforgettable experiences. To conclude today's episode, India is a region of the world's greatest biodiversity with a variety of unique natural locales. It has some of the greatest variety of fauna in the world that has perhaps not been exploited to its full potential for tourism. In this context, the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks need to be integrated as an integral part of Indian tourism product. North India has some of the popular national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The beautiful hill stations that dot the Himalayan region are among the popular tourist destinations of the region. The Himalayan region offers plenty of opportunities for adventure activities. Thank you.